This is my reflection for the 908 final project. My project was on reimagining your career. Now, how I started was actually kind of interesting because I really wasn't sure what I was going to do for this 908. Originally, I was going to do something related to how businesses reimagine themselves, but because of time and because of my background in career and career development, it made some sense for me to go with reimagining your career. And I really liked that image in my mind about just reimagining your career. The other thing I really liked was something called the shift, and that kept coming up when I was talking about careers and reimagining and how to change. And so the word shift kept coming up. So what I did was I developed the shift method, which is really about looking at how you reinvent yourself or reinvent your career to be what you think it should be. So one of the things that I had done was to create this workbook. And that was probably the main project that I did for the shift method or the reimagine your career. And that was really interesting and exciting. Because of my background in career development, I have lots of resources and information available to me as to what is typically done in a careers course. What I liked about the process of trying to figure out what to do was really about looking at what wasn't being taught, what wasn't being discussed. And some of the things that weren't being discussed is actually the precursor to some of the careers courses that I have taught and I've been involved in. So the shift method gave me that opportunity to look before you actually enter into a program or enter into developing your personal brand and developing your resume and then developing your LinkedIn profile. So this gave me an opportunity to look at that. The other thing that was really interesting from developing the shift method was to look at it from a project management perspective, which hadn't been done. Having been in the industry for 9 years now, I really did know quite a bit about what methodologies have been out there. So that was something else. But what I've learned over that period of time was a couple of things. I think I learned, number one, that ideas are great to have, but you have to put them to paper. And you have to actually develop something that you can offer as a deliverable, not just for a class, but something that I can turn around and actually sell. So that was really interesting to me. The next thing that I think was really interesting was to create this website so that it aligned with the shift method, and I kept everything kind of within the same theme. So that was really important to me, to keep the shift method and the reimagine your career and the website and the workbook all kind of working together. What I actually had done also is I did a webinar because I felt that it was really important not only to have, this workbook and not only to have a webinar, not only to have a website, but to actually go out there and talk to people about this shift method and what that looked like and how people reacted. So as a result, I did do some feedback. There were about 38 people who showed up to the webinar. Of course, I didn't get huge response from the respondents for those who came, but it still gave me an idea of a little bit of sort of what people were thinking. And it seemed to actually resonate with quite a few of the people who had come. They really seemed to have liked the concept of the shift method. So that was very encouraging to me because in lessons learned, it allows me to think about how to do this next and what I should be doing next, which is a couple of things which I will mention before the end of this recording. The other thing that I thought was really interesting was figuring out how much to charge. So one of the things that I think was important was to see that there's quite a bit of people who are willing. I don't know what this option 4 is, believe it or not, but option 3 is the 1 year contract for 79 a month for a 1 year contract, which is interesting. But the other one that I thought was really interesting was to look at it from this perspective, that there were people who would, how much would you really pay? Well, $99 for 5 sessions plus 5 one-on-one sessions. I think that's really important. And why is this important? Because one of the unique features of the shift method is this one-on-one sessions that I feel are necessary. One of the key factors to the shift method is the accountability piece. People do need to be accountable to deliver to themselves, not to me, but to themselves, what it is that they would like to see. That's the biggest issue that I've seen in the careers courses that I've taught in the past. So there's no accountability. There's no one that monitors the individual and says, okay, have you done exactly what you're supposed to do? Have you reached out to these people? Have you done your visualization? And this again is sort of those mini sprints, or the scrums from sort of the agile project management approach. 90% of the people felt that the workbook was useful. This one individual, well, this was one individual who didn't actually show up to the session and went and said no to everything. So I wouldn't really use that as a real indicator as to whether it was useful or not. This also was quite interesting because one of the things we use in the class is something called the Personal Branding Workbook. And I really wanted to differentiate it from that. And so that was really important. The other thing is that I did have a few people who are willing to go the next step, and I'm going to be reaching out to them. So what are some of the lessons learned? Well, some of the important lessons is, number one, to be afraid of trying something new, not to be afraid to say, you know what, maybe I am really an expert at something, and to have the confidence to go out there and try to sell it. The second thing that I felt was a lesson learned was that not only is it important to put these pieces together, but I also need to create an action plan so that I can move forward with what it is that I'm doing. And the third lesson that I learned is to talk to people, which I thought was really important. Talk to people about what they would like to see, talk to them about what actually might work. So those are the three key things that I felt were important. The next step, because I think that's really important, the next step that I'm going to take is I'm going to put a little, as I said, an action plan together to create some real marketing material around what I've already developed. So I'd like to have a podcast. I would like to start a blog, even if it's just a monthly blog on LinkedIn would be great. Also have a Facebook page, and also to be promoting this out on LinkedIn and talking about it more. That's to start. And then the other thing that I would like to do is to build some relationships with outside organizations that are willing to perhaps pay for the privilege of me coming in and doing this shift method with their employees, or at colleges and universities. So I think there were lots of lessons learned, and it was really an exciting process for me, something that I hadn't done before, but feel that was really necessary for me to take that next step. What happened? Did I not record?